I am not going to tell you that why we should adopt skincare routine and why it is important for our skin, because we all know the importance of it and almost everyone follow our skincare routine, right? Rather than that, the thing that should be discussed is whether we are following the skincare routine correctly or not. Which product should be a must in the skincare routine? At what time which product should be applied? How much should be applied? How should be applied? Which product will be applied first and which will be applied after in skincare routine? Do those products suit our skin or not? Do we know all these things? So just hurry up and like this video and subscribe to my channel, because in this video I'm going to answer all these questions and problems. I'm going to tell in my video must have product in skincare routine, product that would be beneficial to add in our skincare routine, formula of choosing a product based on your skin type, the layering formula of skincare product. Bonus for watching till the end. Must have product in skincare routine. Number 1 is cleanser. Regular cleansing is important for maintaining clear, smooth and glowing skin. Cleansing helps remove dirt, oil and dead skin cells from the face, making it cleaner and fresher. Additionally, cleansing can improve the effectiveness of other skincare products like moisturizer and serum by allowing them to penetrate the skin more deeply. Number 2 is moisturizer. Moisturizer keep your skin hydrated, making it softer and smoother. It prevents dryness, flakiness and skin look healthier and more radiant. Additionally, moisturizer create a protective barrier on your skin which lock in moisture and shields it from external factors like harsh weather and pollutant. Number 3 is sunscreen. Sunscreen protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays, preventing sunburn, premature aging, and skin damage like wrinkle and dark spot. Number 4. Targeted treatment for specific skin concerns. Everyone's skin issues are different. Some people have signs of anti-aging and some people have dark spot. Some people want skin whitening and some have hyperpigmentation. So we should choose product related to our skin concerns. Number 5 is eye cream. It's important to include product in our skincare routine that our skin needs. Eye cream help reduce puffiness, dark circles and fine lines. Using eye cream regularly can improve the overall appearance of eyes. Product that would be beneficial to add. There are some products that if you add in your skincare routine, you will definitely get so much benefit from them. Number 1 is exfoliants. We should add exfoliants in our skincare routine 1 to 3 times per week to remove dead skin cell and promote cell turnover. You can use physical exfoliant like scrub, sugar and jojoba beads, and you can also use chemical exfoliants like AHA, alpha hydroxy acids, and BHA, beta hydroxy acids. Number 2 is toner. Toner helps to remove any leftover dirt or makeup after cleansing. It also helps to shrink the appearance of pores, making your skin look smoother and more even. Plus, toner prep your skin to better absorb the next skincare products you apply like serum and moisturizer, making them more effective. Number 3 is face mask. Face masks provide various benefits like deep cleansing, hydration, exfoliation, skin brightening depending on their ingredient. Overall, using a face mask regularly can help improve the overall appearance and health of your skin. Number 4 is lip balm. Lip balm keep your lips moisturized and prevent them from becoming dry and cracked. Using lip balm regularly can maintain the natural moisture barrier of your lips. Formula of choosing product based on your skin type. Choosing skincare product that suits your skin type is important. For example, if you have oily skin, choose product that designed for oily skin type, which can help control excess oil production and prevent breakout. Similarly, if you have dry skin, choose product that have hydrating ingredient which help provide moisture and prevent dryness and flakiness. But I will let you decide and finalize which product is suitable for your skin type. I will not tell you that dry skin people should buy this product of this brand and oily skin people should buy this product of this brand, because this will not increase your knowledge, but I will let you decide and finalize which product is suitable for your skin type, and it will happen only when you know the main difference between product for oily and dry skin. Difference between products for oily skin and dry skin lies in their formulation and ingredient. So let's know which product suits oily skin type. Lightweight, oil-free formulation products are suitable for oily skin to avoid clogging pores and excessive oiliness. Oily skin people should try to find products that contain ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to control excess oil production and prevent breakout. Also look for mattifying product or oil-absorbing ingredients to reduce shine throughout the day. Now let's know which product suit dry skin type. Rich, hydrating formulation products are suitable for a dry skin type to give moisture and prevent dryness and flakiness. Dry skin type should try to find products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramide to attract and retain moisture in the skin. Buy products that include shea butter or oils like jojoba oil or almond oil to nourish and soften the skin. Overall, products for oily skin focus on controlling oil production and preventing acne, while products for dry skin focus hydration and nourishment to prevent dryness and discomfort. The layering formula of skincare product. It is very important to know the specific order of layering the skincare product to maximize the effectiveness and ensure the penetration of the skincare product. Here is the formula of layering skincare product. Apply skincare product from thinnest to thickest consistency to ensure proper absorption and effectiveness. This typically means starting with cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. Then apply toner to balance the skin's pH level and remove any remaining dirt. Then apply treatment product or serum. Apply any targeted treatment product or serum next, like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. Then apply eye cream to protect the delicate skin around the eye. Then apply moisturizer to hydrate and seal in all the previous layers of skincare, and then finish off your skincare routine with sunscreen to shield the skin from harmful UV rays and preventing premature aging. Remember, it's essential to allow each product to absorb fully into the skin before applying the next one. Bonus for watching till the end. Clean your makeup brushes, sponges, and other skincare tools regularly to prevent the buildup of bacteria that can cause breakouts. And tip number 2. Extend your skincare routine to your neck and chest area as they can show signs of aging and sun damage. Tip number 4. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, as diet can impact the health and appearance of your skin. Tip number 5. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can help prevent wrinkles and creases on the skin by reducing friction and allowing the skin to glide smoothly, resulting in fewer sleep lines and smoother skin. Tip number 6. Practicing certain yoga poses such as inversion and twist can improve blood circulation and reduce stress and promote a healthy glow by delivering oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells. Talking about yoga, I want to ask my viewers if you want to watch a detailed video on weight loss in which I will tell you how to do easy workout at home where you can easily lose weight, then message me in the comment below. Fitness video next. Tip number 6. Emphasize the importance of consistency in skincare routine to achieve the expected results, as skincare is a long-term commitment. From the topic of skincare, I remember that I made a detailed video on retinol cream for people who have wrinkles, smile lines, and anti-aging issues. So if you want to watch my video, click on the video, and I also give the link in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Once again, I request my viewers to please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. See you in my next video.